Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a high converting landing page on Shopify in just 6 minutes. Perfect for product launches, sales, events, or email capture. No coding needed. Let's jump right in. Start by logging into your Shopify dashboard from the left hand side. Click on Online Store, then click Pages and hit Add Page. Now, give your landing page a name. For example, limited time offer or pre-order page. This title can also be edited later if needed. Optional, if you want the page hidden from your site menu, uncheck the visible option for now. In the editor, add your headline description, product images, videos, testimonials, or an email sign-up forms. You can even embed apps like MailChimp, Galavio, or Google Forms using the HTML tools. Example copy tips. Headline, only 5 spots left. Subtext, join now before we close registration. Add urgency, offer ends in 24 hours. If you want a more drag and a drop experience with custom designs, check out free Shopify apps like Pagefly, Geno Landing Page Builder, or Page Builder. This let you design fully branded pages with buttons, videos, countdown timers, and more without touching code. Scroll down and customize the URL like sell or yearly access. You can also update the SEO title and description here to match what people might search on Google. Click Save, then View Page or Preview section like that. If it looks good, share the link in emails, social media, or ads. Want it linked from your store's menu? Go to navigation from here and add your landing page as a new item. You can also feature it in your homepage banner. So that's it. You have just created a custom landing page on Shopify, ready to drive conversions. If you found this helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you will need, what you will use your landing page for. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.